We have a number of examples in our history of companies that were reporting earnings, but they were running out of cash. And the reason was they were buying inventory that wasn't selling. They were selling to customers who weren't paying, and their receivables and inventories were deteriorating, but they were continuing to report profits.
The statement of cash flows has been required of all companies only since 1987. Had this information been available to the creditors and investors of the W.T. Grant Company in the early 1970s, it might have forecast or even helped prevent their financial collapse. After nearly 70 years of continuous operation and regular dividend payments, W.T. Grant and its financial statements looked fairly sound. But the company's cash flows told another story. For years, the company had generated no cash flow from operations, becoming increasingly dependent on external financing. An early warning sign that all ignored. Finally, years of borrowing coupled with rising interest rates resulted in insolvency, and the firm filed for bankruptcy in 1974. 4 months later, its assets were liquidated and it ceased to exist. The W.T. Grant Company went bankrupt because their operations were generating insufficient cash flow over a long period of time. To compensate, they used external financing to generate needed cash.